Today we are going to see a strategy that will help new traders to make maximum profit. According to me, if you learn to use it properly, then it will not be difficult for you to make $800. We have added 2 indicators in it in such a way that there is no need to do much analysis in it, and this strategy can help you to trade like a master trader. So without any delay, let's see the settings of the indicators, and I will also explain to you how to use it, and then I will try to make some dollars using this strategy. So first of all, go to the settings of indicators and add the moving average. Now go to the settings of moving average and set the period to 6. And here we will keep the color of the main line green, just make it 2px. And then save it. After this we have to go to the indicators settings, and add the moving average line once again. And then go to the moving average settings, and set the period to 14. And in the colors settings we will set the color of the main line to white. And make it 2px. And then save it. After that we will need one more indicator, which is the parabolic SAR, so we will add that too. And then go to its settings, and set the maximum acceleration to 0.3. And we will set its color to yellow. After that set the candle timing to 15 seconds. And set the trade timing to 1 minute. And I am going to keep the trade amount here as $260. You can set it according to your capital. Now we add currency pairs which give 92% return. Most of it will be OTC market, because it gives higher returns. And now our settings are complete. Now let us understand the correct way to earn from this strategy. So here I have got a good chart. We can place a trade here in the upside direction. So here you can see that parabolic SAR has made dots below the candles, and is pointing in the upward direction, and here the cross was almost formed in the downward direction, but then the bullish trend started in the market and now the cross has been formed in the upward direction. This means that more force is visible in the upward direction in the market, and I think that now the market will probably break this resistance and go up. If you want to earn profit every week with me, then you have to join the free signals by clicking on the link given in the description. Here you can check the accuracy of the free signals and take advantage of it from today itself. So here our first entry has won, and we have made a profit of around $478 in this trade. So there can be a good entry here also. So here the green line of the moving average has crossed the white line in the downward direction, and here the parabolic SAR has also provided a signal in the downward direction. Here it is too late for both the indicators to give the signal. It would have been better if we would have got the opportunity to place the entry a little earlier. But still it seems here that the downtrend will continue, because the market can go up to the support zone. You will get to see something new in every entry, hence its practice is also necessary. Good, here the market has shown the same movement and our second entry has also won here. So here we will wait a little so that the cross is formed properly, and we get proper signals from parabolic SAR as well. So now we can place an entry here. Here the dots of parabolic SAR are formed above the candles. This is indicating about the bearish signal, and also the green line of the moving average has crossed the white line in the downward direction. This means that now the downtrend has started in the market, and if we see overall, then here the market is going down taking resistance, and now the support zone is very low. While placing a trade, keep in mind the support and resistance along with the indicators, as this increases the winning ratio considerably. And great, our entry has won easily here too. This strategy is amazing. So here the indicators have given us a signal in the downward direction, but the movement of the candles is going in the upward direction. Perhaps this could be a small throwback. After this the market can continue the downtrend. So here both the moving average lines have crossed each other in the downward direction, and the fractal SAR has also indicated in the downward direction, but in this chart, I see the movement of the candles going against our entry. Sometimes we have to face losses even after placing the entry correctly. That is why management is important, and I feel that maybe our entry here is going to lose. Unfortunately, our entry lost here. So here the indicators have provided signal in the downward direction. So here both the lines of moving average have crossed each other in the downward direction. So this is a bearish signal. And one important thing is that the market has broken this support. So now there are more chances of the market moving mostly in the downward direction. So here we placed a double entry to recover the loss we had incurred in the previous trade. And in the last few seconds the market was close to the entry point, but our entry has easily won here. So here the moving average lines have crossed in the upward direction and provided an upward signal, and at the same time the parabolic SAR has also provided a bullish signal. So now there is a high possibility of the market going up. So the strategy is amazing. You should try it in the demo account. After practicing you can get a lot of benefits.